Oh, another question.
Hi!
This is a question to both Pikamee and ironmouse. Are your laughs natural or practiced? Also, can you please give us your best supervillain laugh?
Supervillain laugh.
Ah!
I don't know.
That's so good.
That's only I know.
I think my laugh already sounds evil.
Me too. Your laugh is cute.
Maybe a little evil, but not all the way.
My laugh is well, definitely not practiced.
Yeah, mine either.
More natural.
Very natural. Your laugh is very natural.
But when I just started a VTuber, I tried to hide my kiddo voice because I thought it's too loud for everybody. So I tried to hide it. But when Let's Kiddo Hole happened, I laughed like a kiddo, so I released it for the first time in the stream, and I was like, oh, I did it already, so there's no point of hiding anymore, and I just started it.
I understand though. I remember when I first started, I would like try to not laugh like I normally do. But then one day, I don't know what was. There was this one particular stream. I don't remember which one it was, but I remember I just lost my shit. I lost it, and then all of a sudden, I think it was KULIKITAKA. There was a song that came on, and it made me laugh.
I know that.
Yeah, and
wait,
I just
I saw your clip. KULIKITAKA.